Today we are going to learn 9th standard set language example 1.22. Verify A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C using Venn diagrams. So first question is A intersection B union C. First we'll look at the left hand side. We'll solve inside the brackets first, that is B union C. What is meant by B union C? B union C means we want all the elements of B and C. So this is the circle of B and circle of C. So we want the circle of B and C. That is B union C. We want both the values of B and C. Gives you B union C. So that will cover the portions of B and C. Gives you B union C. So once again, B union C, we want both the circles of B and C. And next is the left side, first portion is A. A means we need the circle of A. We are going to cover only A. Now we'll write the whole term. A intersection B union C. Compare first diagram and second diagram. The relationship between them is intersection. So we have to look after what is common in both the diagrams. Here A is covered, here A is not covered, here B is covered, here B is not covered. This portion is not covered. The covered portion similar to both the diagrams are, that is, in between A and B is common to both of them. In between A and B and in between A and C. Only these portions are similar in both the diagrams. See, just look at here. This portion is covered. Here this portion is covered. This portion is covered. Here this portion is covered. So common to first diagram and second diagram is this portion and this portion. Here both are common. So I have covered this line. Now coming to the right hand side. First we'll solve one by one inside the brackets. A intersection B, then A intersection C, then the whole term. First is A intersection B. What is meant by A intersection B? The common things between A and B. So this is the circle of A and this is the circle of B. The common both to A and B is the center portion. So common to A and B is the center portion. That this is called A intersection B. Now A intersection C. This is the circle of A and this is the circle of B. Now we'll cover the common portion of A and C. This is the common portion of A and C. Next, A intersection B union A intersection C. The relationship between them is union. Union means we want both the things. We want this diagram and also we want this diagram. So we'll cover both the things. Gives you the A intersection B union A intersection C. Now look at the right hand side, left hand side and right hand side. Both the answers are similar. Therefore, A intersection B union C is equals to A intersection B union A intersection C. Thank you, children. Any doubt, please comment.